And here we have the Infinity Instruments retro style alarm clock. This robust, strong, retro style alarm clock from Infinity Instruments was seen in the Tom Hanks movie Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close. This clock has a long-lasting solid plastic case with easy to read numerals, uses 100% battery power, and needs just one C battery to allow you at least a year's accurate quartz movement before time to replace. This style will augment almost any bedroom's decor, simple, attractive, and easy to operate. Durable plastic resin case, extra large numerals for 3, 6, 9, and 12. Minute dots, bold for each hour, large top-mounted alarm stop button, large plastic lens, hour, minute, and second hands, silver alarm hand, requires 1 C battery not included. It comes in 4 fabulous colors: cream and navy blue, cream and red, cream and brown, and red and cream. Quality by Infinity Instruments.